Hello everybody. Today, this week, we're talking about Greece. So Greece is on the continent of Europe, right here. Let's see if we can get that focused. Oh. You may recognize Italy, this boot-shaped one. We've also done Spain. We've talked about Spain over here. This is the Mediterranean Sea, so Greece is right here. We also recently did Egypt. So this is the top of Africa, just to give you an idea of where Greece is. So this one's Greece. It has a whole bunch of islands there, which I'll read to you in the handout, but over 2,000 islands. The craft we're focusing on today is mosaics. Mosaics are art made out of little pieces of other things. So here are some examples of mosaics. Let me read that bit to you. Mosaic art, the way we think of it today, has been around for at least 2,200 years. The ancient Greeks used mosaics to create pictures of their gods and scenes from Greek mythology. And before that, even before the 2,200 years ago, mosaics were used to make colorful pathways or just decorations. They're made from colorful pebbles, small tiles, broken glass, broken ceramics is what I wrote, and any other small colorful material that you can use to create another picture. That's the craft, one of the crafts we're going to do today. We are talking about Greece, and like I said, Greece has over 2,000 islands, but people only live on about 170 of them. Mount Olympus, which you may have heard of, especially if you know any Greek mythology, is the highest mountain in Greece, and the ancient Greeks believed that their gods lived on top of it. Family is very important in the Greek culture, even today. Children often live with their parents even after they get married, which is not true of the United States in general, maybe sometimes, but not usually. Greeks are also known to live long lives, and it's possibly because of the food that they eat. So a good argument for eating healthy food, a lot of fish and hummus and good foods. And about 80% of the people in Greece live in big cities. And I mention that because the last couple countries we've talked about, most of the people have lived in rural areas like farmland. So in Greece, it is most of the people living in the cities. And then we're going to talk about our animals. In Greece, not a lot of exciting animals like Africa. The biggest animal is the brown bear. There are gray wolves, fox, small wildcats, weasels, deer, hedgehogs, squirrels, badgers, wild boar, and some sea life, monk seals, whales, dolphins. And the animal we're focusing on today is the hedgehog. So some of you may have seen hedgehogs because people around here have them for pets sometimes, but they don't live wild here. They are found in the wild in Greece, so you could just be walking around and see a hedgehog running around. So my little fact, our hedgehogs will eat almost anything: watermelon, frogs, eggs, snakes, or bugs, but they only eat about a tablespoon of food per day, so that is not very much. But there's my little hedgehog, which I think is cute. All right, so that's my general overview of Greece. Let me know if you have any questions. All right. Thanks.